Our photograph has already come. Huh? Huh? I will give all the copies. Frame కూడా నేను కట్టియాలిగా. No, we'll give all the copies. Next अपना general body रहेगा ना, we'll have in January. I'll give all the copies to all 150 corporators. అందరి ఇంకా దాన్ని ఫినిష్ చేయాలి కదా అన్ని రాసి ఇవన్నీ. Okay, my commissioner has agreed to give it with the frame. So today you're all getting అన్ని కూడా వస్తున్నాయి మీకు. చలో కూర్చోండి. We'll finish it off soon. Questions అడిగిన వాళ్ళది నేను చెప్తాను, బికాస్ 10 మంది ఒక్కొక్క దీని నుంచి మాట్లాడుతుంటే ఐ థింక్ టైం విల్ బి ఇది అయిపోతుంది కాబట్టి ఎవరి క్వశ్చన్స్ వేసారో వాళ్ళది ఫినిష్ చేద్దాం. ఓకే
तो मैडम मैं बोलना ये है, जिस तरह से आप आइटम नंबर 2 हमारे पास प्लेस किए टेबल पे 27 म्यूनसिपैलिटी को मर्ज करने का, ये चीज एजेंडा असेंबली में भी आया था. असेंबली में हम लोग अपोज करे इसकी, तो उसको उससे निकाल दिए. आज अचानक जो है कैबिनेट आज अप्रूव नहीं करी, कैबिनेट अप्रूव करके बहुत पहले अप्रूव करी. ये असेंबली में लाने के बाद मजलिस इत्तेहाद ने उसने अपोज की, उसमें अपोज करने के बाद उसको असेंबली से हटा दिए. नहीं 28 नहीं मैडम, जो 20 मर्जिंग ऑफ 27 म्यूनसिपैलिटीज.
बट आपके जो पार्टी का लीडर है they have agreed.
हमारे को इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं है मैडम.
No,
इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं है.
Okay.
हम इसको अपोज करें इसके लिए.
We will not do. अब बैठ जाइए. Then we will discuss about it. We'll discuss. अब बैठ जाओ. Yeah. सोहेल साहब अब बैठ जाओ.
मीटिंग रख के डिस्कशन करेंगे हम. आप बोलिए, हम इसको अप्रूव नहीं करते. नहीं बैठने की क्या बात है मैडम. आप लाके आप हमें इम्पोज कर दे रहे हैं. आप
नहीं, आप
बोल रहे हो गया
ओके. आपका नेक्स्ट श्रीमती महालक्ष्मी गारू. ओके. नो यू प्लीज सिट डाउन. जवाब बाद में देंगे. आप बैठिए. नो मोर डिस्कशन. प्लीज सिट डाउन. नो सिट डाउन. नहीं. आई MIM party, please sit down. नहीं. Talking, sir. What are you talking? That I have to fake देना. साहब, ये फेंक देना. अभी ये फेंक देना. No, sir. Shall I throw this? You mean to say all the corporators का जो questions है हम फेंक देना है? No, you're telling me to fake the. No. नहीं, sir. No, sir. No. Sit down. No, I will not. आप नहीं. You cannot tell me. अभी तो मैं बात करके बोली. I told how you have to maintain the decor of the house. अब बैठ जाइए. You cannot stand. You cannot tell me. You उसको दो mic, इनको दो mic. No. You, sir. Yes, I know. सोहेल साहब, मेरे को मालूम है किसको देना mic. Please आप लोग बैठ जाइए. Once you sit down, I will tell you what I'll do. Please sit down. I request all the MIM people to sit down. Please sit down. Fahad. Yes, Fahad बैठ जाइए. Wahab बैठ जाइए. Please. No, no, we will see what we are going to do. First, I'm going to discuss about, I am going to discuss about this because the corporators are waiting. I cannot just tell you, okay, chalo, the item has not even come. Ab baith jaiye. Then I have to, no, I have to. आप बैठ जाइए, आप जाके बैठ जाइए, आप बैठ जाइए, आप बैठ जाइए, फाहद साहब. I am telling you, if your leader is standing, all the other leaders are also there. No, please बैठ जाइए. No, I have to adjourn the house. I have to adjourn the house. I will adjourn the house. Okay, sure. If it is like that, if you're not sitting down, if you're not listening, नहीं होता साहब, नहीं होता. No, earlier मैं बोली, I have already requested, if the mayor says I will give the mic, I will give the mic. If the mayor says no, that means you need to sit down. If the mayor is requesting you to sit down, you're still not sitting. No, you don't have to tell me. Beg साहब, you don't have to tell me what I should be doing. मैं chair को आप नहीं बोल सकते. No, आप बैठ जाइए. Only if you sit in the chair, I will discuss. If not, please आप बैठ जाइए साहब, बैठ जाइए. Okay, question number 42, Mahalakshmi garu. Okay, all the questions from 1 to 17 include 2